right. So the solution is disidentification, recognizing you are the listener, the operator, the divine spark, not the voice or the hijacked default mode network, and not the avatar, the body mind temple. You are none of those things. You are the listener. The practice. Right now, notice there is a voice in your head reading these words, commenting, judging, planning. There is awareness of that voice. Now ask yourself, who is aware? Who's the one listening to that voice? The voice and the listener cannot possibly be the same thing. Energy does not work that way. A fire cannot burn itself. A flame cannot burn itself. Therefore, a speaker cannot hear itself. There has to be a speaker and a listener. So the gap between the voice and the awareness of the voice is you, the operator, the listener, the divine spark, the Christ consciousness. You are not the voice. You are the one listening to it. When you recognize this, when disidentification happens, the voice loses its tyrannical grip. It becomes a tool, the daemon, properly functioning default mode network, instead of a tyrant, the demon, the hijacked default mode network. The operator reclaims the seat, divine coordination can flow, the cell begins operating for the whole instead of for itself. Healing begins. The biological mechanism. What's happening neurologically when you disidentify? So what does that look like in your brain? The default mode network activity decreases, so the voice quiets. The salience network activates, so present moment awareness, the listener emerging. So the salience network in the brain, this is like the closest to what you are. You're the decider. You're the router in there to route the signals and everything, and you're like a traffic cop. That's what you do. And then everything else just obeys you because you have the authority of the Holy Spirit, and you command the Holy Spirit because you are the Holy Spirit. So the default mode network shifts from hyperactive, rigid, to flexible and functional. So the demon transforms back to daemon. Schnell, yes, this is absolutely amazing, isn't it? Like, we're not even speaking in like mystical woo-woo terms here. We're literally talking neuroscience, and we can it's demystified. The illusion's done. The lie is revealed. These are the revelations happening right now. This is prophecy fulfilled. This is the cure and the cause and everything. So this is measurable in fMRI studies.